How to fix MyChart cannot send message. To fix problem where you cannot send a message in MyChart, first of all, fix a grayed out send button. You simply have to ensure you have selected a mandatory high-level category from the primary prompt. Then assign a recipient, write a subject line and check the attachment limits. And also try resolving a missing provider or empty dropdown. Simply verify the recent visits, establish an upcoming appointments, and check the clinic capabilities as well. Or if you want to fix the technical issues, what you can also do is, if you are on web browser just like me, you simply have to tap on this lock icon right next to the address bar, then tap on this cookies and site data and proceed to clear the website cache as well as cookies by simply tapping on this trash icon and try reloading the website. Your problem should be resolved. Or if you are on application, simply open your app drawer, then locate the application icon, long press it, then head to the app info panel, go to the storage section, then clear your cache from here. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.